to show. Thank you. Thank you, Joe.
Oh, hello. I'm Joe, and this is Ozzy. Working hard, we're very busy. Together, we visit town and country, making friends with every delivery.
Hi, Joe.
Hello, Aisling.
It's time to go and deliver.
Great.
Here's the list for today. Today you will be delivering a brush, boots, and a bucket to the zoo. There are lots of animals to see in the zoo. It will be an exciting day.
Oh, it's so exciting.
And remember, wherever you go, there will be someone to help you. Caitlin and Kelly are waiting for you at the zoo. The zookeepers are also waiting for you. Christina and Raymond will help you with your deliveries.
Great.
Yes, I know we're going to the zoo. I just don't know where it is. Ah, straight ahead. Thank you.
The zoo. Where are Caitlin and Kelly? Ah, there you are.
Welcome to the zoo.
I have some deliveries for the animals. Will you help me?
Yes, I will help you.
Great, let's go. I can't really hear them. Wonder where... Lions!
Let's love sign. Lion. Lion. You sign. Lion. Good. Lion.
Why do some lions have a furry fur?
Those are the boy lions.
The boy lions have the big fur, and then the girl lions don't have any big fur.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. A delivery. Wait. A brush for the lion.
Lions don't use a brush, Joe. They use a tree.
A tree? I will use the brush. Hello, I'm looking for Christina.
I'm Christina.
I have a delivery for you.
I need new boots.
Yes, you do need new boots.
Oh.
Wait here.
Let's love sign. Boots. Boots. You sign. Boots. Good. Boots.
Boots.
They're too small and pink.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Hands up.
Joe,
Hands up.
where are you?
Caitlin, I'm in the jungle.
There you are.
Ah, I was looking for the elephants, but I couldn't find any. Wow! Look at the elephants.
Let's love sign. Elephant. Elephant. You sign. Elephant. Good. Elephant.
Hello, I'm Joe, and this is Caitlin.
Hello, my name is Ray.
We have a question for you.
What do elephants eat?
Oh, they love apples and trees.
I have a delivery for you. Wait here. an apple, and a bucket.
Bucket is very small. And the elephants are very big.
I don't have a bucket.
But I have a big bucket.
Ah, but no apples.
No.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow. Shall we feed the elephants?
Yes. Ah, there's your mum.
There you are.
We've had a great day. Thank you for all your help. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.